Neighbors call the cops on each other all the time, but when it's about something petty, and it's at the end of your shift, would you want to deal with any of this?
Yeah.
North Charleston Police.
Can I help you?
We got a call about yelling and screaming coming from the apartment, are y'all okay?
Yeah.
Gonna come to the door and talk to us at all?
No, you should really tell my neighbors that they're lucky that I don't call the cops on them every time they yell and scream like animals.
Okay, we're done with this. Shut up and have a good night.
Yeah, you too.